All right, I have a quick yet important update for all Gmail users. It has come to my attention that Gmail now considers pretty much all email from gumroad.com to be spam and will dump said emails into your spam folder, which I am oddly okay with. I mean, look, it was only a matter of time. Gumroad is a digital delivery service. I am not the only one selling programs on Gumroad. So even though I only send out a mailer once a month, typically, that doesn't mean that everyone else is. No one likes being spammed every damn day, so I understand it and I'm fine with it. Yet it may cause some disruption with the Laws of Magic subscription course and any subsequent subscription series, because they are primarily delivered via email through Gumroad. And other than the Laws of Magic subscription series, which people pay for, the only other times that I send out mailers is when a program goes on sale, not more than once a month, when a program is updated, or when a program is released. Those are the only times, so typically it's only once a month. That to me is not spam. Spam to me is what SiriusXM is doing to me right now, calling and emailing me every single day since my trial expired. That to me is spam. Once a month is nothing. It's like, hey, here's what's going on. And that's the way it should be. You would think that people would have figured this out by now, that people get annoyed with solicitation and spam, myself included. Nobody likes it. You have to use it sparingly. So yes, I'm okay with it. I understand it. But the people who do want emails from Gumroad, those who want their lessons to be delivered into their inbox as expected, who do want to be notified when their products are updated, those who do want to know when products are on sale, those people may run into a bit of a snag, but I'm going to show you how to fix it. Now, this cannot be done with the Gmail app. This has to be done with a web browser, either on your PC or other device, or if you're on mobile, using the web browser. So the example I'm going to show here is for this month's sale of June. The Fire and Water program will be 20% off until next Friday, June 15th, and I will leave a link for that. But as you can see right across the top, it says this message was not sent to spam because of a filter you created. Yes, that's right. Even I wasn't getting them, and I was the one sending them. I always send myself a preview copy of any mailer that I send out, and I wasn't getting them. They were going into my spam folder. And if they're not getting to me, they're probably not getting to you. I've already had a couple people ask where their lessons were this week, only to later tell me they found them in their spam folder, which was weird because it hadn't happened before. Well, it seems that they have just recently made this change. So let's set up a couple filters so this won't happen again. And yes, I said a couple because you are going to have to whitelist not only gumroad.com, but my email address as well. For some reason, it did not work until I did that. It's fairly easy to do. Let's say that this email is in your spam folder, even though this example one isn't because I've already made the filters. You want to click on More, which will bring a drop-down menu, and then click on Filter Messages like these. It's going to bring up another menu. You're going to fill out the first field where it says From, and type in gumroad.com. You're going to do this again later with my email address, but for now just put gumroad.com and then click Create Filter with this search at the bottom. On the next menu, you're going to have a bunch of options on what to do with it. You want to click Never Send It to Spam. You may want to always mark it as important if you're a subscriber to the Laws of Magic series. I'll leave that completely up to you, but at least mark it as Never Send It to Spam, and then click the Create Filter button at the bottom. Now you're going to do the exact same thing with my email address. You're going to click More, and then Filter Messages like these, and then instead of putting gumroad.com, you're going to want to put my email address, which I'm not going to give out here because anyone that has any of my programs already has it. And it's meant for customer service and business inquiries. It's not meant as a general public email to ask Frater any questions that come to mind. even though that happens anyway and I do my best to oblige them. But customer service comes first and foremost. That's what it's meant for. That's why it comes with my programs. So you enter my email address, click create filter with this search, and then check the box on the next page that says never send it to spam. Create filter, and then you're done. It didn't work by only creating a filter for Gumroad. I guess this is because it's coming from Frater Xavier via Gumroad. I had to create both filters for it to work. Again, this is only for Gmail users. If you're using a different email, nothing has changed as far as I know. But a lot of people use Gmail, so I was forced to make this video. And anyone using Gmail that's asking where are my lessons after this is going to be pointed to this video first. I'm not going to be typing out 1,000 different reply emails on what I just went over. So there you go. It is what it is. I understand why they did it. I just hope it's not too disruptive to the courses that we have going on. In other news, I am working hard on the next program. I know some people have been asking about it. I am hoping to have it completed and released by the end of this month. Let's keep our fingers crossed on that because I've already run into quite a few delays. And as I briefly mentioned before, this month's sale is going on right now for 20% off the Fire and Water program, which details fire magic, water magic, and blood magic. Fire and Water was one of the few programs that came down in price, so another 20% on top of that is a real bargain. And it will be on sale now through June 15th, next Friday. Link in the video and in the description, and I will see you soon. Take care.